So I'm about to show you what I bought on Cyber Monday. I did not go crazy. I didn't get too much. I just bought something that I actually feel like I need. If I'm going to do this YouTube thing, I'm gonna need something to help me be a little bit more better than what I'm doing. So don't forget to hit that like button, because y'all be watching, but y'all not hitting the like button. And hit subscribe. If you don't want to hit subscribe, then comment down below why you're not subscribing. Help me to get to the road of 1,000. I'm trying to get monetized. So if you're watching this video and you like shopping, yes, I did already open it, because of course I was excited. I was like a kid. I couldn't wait for it to get here. But I bought a selfie stick. No, I did buy another one. So the next one, I will not open it before. We will open it together whenever it gets here next week. So I got me a selfie stick, and I think it's really cool. Tripod. When I got it, I was surprised because online it said it was white, and then when I got it, it was black. So, which, you know, I really wanted the black one anyways, so works out perfect. It's long. It is really long. Like you see, oh, I'm about to put a hole in my wall. That's how long it is. Yeah, see, it just keeps on. It keeps on going. Of course, you're not gonna be able to see it on the screen. It comes with a remote here. Push it on like so. The button is right here at the top. Whoa. And this one is at the bottom. The way I put it on is backwards. Okay, you see this light is brighter than this one. It has different settings. Woohoo. Hey, you gonna catch me outside, honey? You gonna be like, what is girl? Is this a anchor woman? What kind of news is she broadcasting out here? Yes, I actually like it. So the one that's supposed to be coming, oh, y'all see it? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that lighting. Yes. Right here. Ooh. And then you can adjust it. Hey, of course, like this is closed. And you can open it. And it has something that you turn here, and it can go back. I guess that's the furthest it can go, but it definitely can go. That's the one thing I didn't like. It can go all the way back. I mean, it can go all the way forward for you to close it. But if you wanted to go all the way back, it ain't happening. But let me tighten it up. Okay, and then you can turn it. I'm trying to be gentle. I don't want to break nothing. Look at that lighting. Ooh, that lighting is amazing. Ooh, okay, that's another investment that I might want to get. Give me some good lighting. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at her. She's a bad jammer. Boo, 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 boo. And then you know it has a remote here. Let's see. Yes, it can come off, but I don't want to lose it because, oops. Look how small that is. There's nothing to help it, you know, come together. Yeah, this is just it. This is just G unit. Excuse me. Yeah. This is it. You can pull it up, down, the lights. Yeah. Turn off the light. At first, I keep on thinking I just keep clicking, it will come off. No, you gotta hold it. Let's hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. And then this light is on. Oh, okay, you gotta hold it down, like I said. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was 4 seconds. Look at me. Okay. And that's me unboxing my tripod. I know that is so ghetto. My phone had dropped and it cracked, and it went in my finger. So I was like, oh no. But I can still use it to scroll. I can still watch YouTube on here, Facebook. I can do all those stuff. So I just taped it up. Yeah, tape it up and use it. And this is to charge the lights. I'm pretty sure I can charge the light and the Bluetooth. I have not had the need to charge it. And it came with this battery. I don't know what it's for. And it says 2-year warranty. I might want to fill that out with the 2 lights. Alright. You can adjust it here. Boop, boop. This is your remote to take pictures. It can come out. Let me pull that up a little bit more. Pull it out. Oh, okay. It's probably the battery for this then. Yeah. I thought this was charging. That you can rechargeable, but this has actually a battery. That's what's that for. For your remote. And let me put this back up here so my phone don't fall off. And like that. Attach, boop. I actually like this. I'm going to be playing around with it tomorrow. I will be playing with it tomorrow. Ooh, let's give me some good lighting. Oh yeah, I'm about to make a video tonight and post it tomorrow. So don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe. If you don't want to hit subscribe, then tell me why you're not subscribing, but you're watching. Okay? You dig? All right, so we're going to turn the light off.